Hi, today's video is about understanding, what some people would probably call our inner saboteur. Over the last 30 years or so, I have spent a lot of time around very successful people and environments and workshops around success, and we're all going to be successful and you can do it. And I love all those, I love the positivity, I do enjoy that. And for me, there's another dimension, which is sometimes it's not always about simply being positive and saying, well, I can overcome everything. I've so many times personally had to face what seems to be like an inner saboteur, a part of me that doesn't want to succeed, a part of me that often wants to seem to undermine me. And in the past, I've tended to get quite angry with myself in a way, and kind of almost at times even can despair with myself, thinking, am I ever going to get beyond this kind of inner saboteur? And I think, especially over the last few years, what I've really begun to realize is that labeling it as an inner saboteur isn't actually always very helpful, because it assumes negative intention. It assumes there's a part of you that doesn't want to be successful, that wants to hold you back and, ruin things for you. And what I think I've understood for myself, and this is the point I really wanted to get across here, is that I've realized that part of me is actually trying to protect me. Those parts of me that hold myself back or can seem to undermine myself and sabotage myself, what they're actually wanting to do is keep me safe. So if those parts of me think that showing up in the world could mean I'm going to be attacked or judged or criticized, or if I'm too successful, people won't like me, they'll be jealous of me or won't approve of me or will reject me, they're actually trying to save me. They're actually trying to help me not get hurt. So I'm not saying I'm 100% there yet by any means, but much more now I consider those parts of myself that I would call the inner saboteur are actually trying to keep me safe. They're actually got a positive intention. So what I try and do now is more dialogue with those parts of myself and accept them and bring them into my kind of conscious sphere so that their intention is honored, and I have found ways of, say, staying safe or not feeling judged or criticized by maturing, if you like, by kind of growing more, by being more a good friend to myself and a good parent to myself. I hope that's making sense. But the idea is, don't judge those parts of you for being negative or try to eliminate them, but realize they're actually trying to help you and support you. Find out what their good intentions are, bring them into your sphere, accept them, and find other more effective ways of honoring the intentions that those parts of you have.